Hey there, future gate toppers. Welcome back to Shortgate. Today, we are diving into two critical topics in operating system that are file allocation methods and file access methods. These concepts are crucial for understanding how files are stored and accessed on a disk. Let's get started. What exactly are file allocation methods? Simply but they determine how files are stored on the disk. Let's take a look at the three most common methods used by file systems. First, we have contiguous allocation. This method stores files in consecutive blocks on the disk. It's very efficient when reading files because all the data is in one place, making it fast. However, over time it can lead to fragmentation, where free space gets scattered around the disk, making it difficult to store large files together. Next, we have linked allocation methods. In the method, each file is treated like a linked list of the disk block. Each block contains a pointer to the next block. This helps avoid fragmentation. But the downside is that accessing the file is slower since the blocks are scattered and you need to follow the links between them. Lastly, we have index allocations. This method uses an index block that contains pointers to all the files blocks. This allows for faster access, especially for large files, but requires extra space for storing the indexes. It sticks a balance between avoiding fragmentation and providing efficient access to data. Now that we understand how files are stored, let's talk about how they are accessed. There are two main file access methods, that is sequential access and direct access. The sequential access file are accessed one record after another in a specific order. This is useful for tasks where you need to process data in sequence, like reading logs or playing music plays. On the other hand, direct access allows you to jump to any point in the file, which is great too for large datasets like databases. It speeds up operations when you don't need to go through the entire file sequentially. So, to recap, we covered the three common files allocation methods, that are continuous allocation, linked allocation, and index allocation, and the two file access methods, that are sequential and direct access. Understanding these keys to understanding file system for Git. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video to show your support. Subscribe to Shortgate for more Git CS content. Comment below with any question or topics you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep practicing and exploring these concepts. In the next video, we will dive into even more essential OS topics. Until then, happy learning and let's crack it together.